Hi, boys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a wonderful Yom Tov and that you enjoyed your time over break. We are here to learn the letters of Vav and Resh. Why do you think we're learning Vav and Resh together? You there. Yes, you with the hand. That's right. It's because you use similar hand motions when you make these letters. Now, the Resh is very easy, as it is the same size as other letters we've been learning. It's how many kulmasim across? 3, right? 1, 2, 3, by 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's a square, 3 by 3, except it's not a square, it's rounded. But you know what I mean. 3 boxes by 3 boxes. And it's very easy. It starts with a kav haskalah. Just make a line so that you have a nice flat start. You go 3, and then you can turn straight into going down. And this is going to be easier when you actually use a kulmis, a real feather, than it is when you use one of these, because these bleed a little bit more than a feather will bleed. This bleeds into the paper like a Sharpie. So it'll be a little bit more difficult. But the idea of the Vav and the Resh, and really the Yud, and several other letters that have a curve to them, anything that doesn't end in a point, your Daled, your Hey, that ends in a point. But anything like a Resh or a Chaf, those things curve, so they're all going to be the same hand motion, where you're going flat, and then you can literally just go straight down into using the point. And it becomes a pretty fluid motion that you can do it in one shot once you get used to it, because you're coming across, and then you can really go down straight into, instead of dragging with the width of the marker, to go into using the tip. And you do that 3 by 3 for the Resh. The Vav is very small. It's like a small Resh. It's kav haskalah, 1 kulmis width over, just 1, and then the height is 3 kulmis widths. So it's 1 by 3. So kav haskalah, and then drag, and you see how number 2 is literally a drag across and then down. And that's all it is for Resh also. These are our 2-step letters. Kav haskalah and drag down. So let's make a couple. Let's make a Vav and a Resh. You're coming to the other side. I don't know if that's going to be better, but you could try. All right, let's make a Resh first. Kav haskalah. Okay. Drag. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, nice Resh, Rebbe. Thanks, boys. All right, here we go. Vav, kav haskalah, 1 kulmis and down. There we go. Resh, Vav. I'll make copies for you. I don't make any coats. I don't make any tag on either of these. There's your Resh. There's your Vav. It can end a little bit sharper, but that's a little hard to do with a Sharpie, so I won't expect it from you. As you see in these ones, it ends a little bit sharper. If you want to use the tip a little bit more as you get to the end, that's fine. I did not. Certainly it isn't ma'akev. When you actually write anything, it wouldn't ruin anything. My bleed paper worked well. And like I said, this will actually be easier when we start using feathers, Mir Hashem, soon. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye.